रियल घटना पे नहीं, रियल घटनाओं पे ऐसे नहीं, मतलब इसमें एक, क्योंकि हम सब यहाँ पे खड़े हैं और आप लोग हमारी बात सुन भी रहे हैं, तो ये स्पष्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ऐसे बहुत से केसेस हुए हैं जिस पे ये पिक्चर बनी, जिसे हम एस्पिरेशन निमोनिया कहते हैं, और ये बहुत ही इन डेप्थ रिसर्च्ड फिल्म है एंड परहैप्स द मोस्ट कॉमन कॉज ऑफ मेडिकल नेग्लिजेंस थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड। और इससे इसलिए बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से बनाया गया है, बहुत ही रियलिटी से बनाया गया है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम ऐसी फिल्में जो हैं वो ज़्यादातर बोरिंग हो जाती हैं या प्रीची हो जाती है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं, इट्स अ मेडिकल ड्रामा, इट्स अ मेडिकल थ्रिलर, इट्स अ फाइट अगेंस्ट नेग्लिजेंस।
Hate Story was a different film. Ankur Arora Murder Case is a different film. As an actor, I enjoyed playing both. I enjoyed playing Kavya Krishna, and in Ankur Arora, I also enjoyed playing like Kajuri Sen. And thanks to our director, Suhail ji. He really helped me out during it, and all my co-actors, Tiska, Vaishali, everybody. And also, I really enjoyed working in this film. That's it. Thank you. I've played a lawyer, an advocate, and this is the first time I'm playing it. So I really needed to go into the skin of the character, for which we had a lot of sessions with my director and my actors. And I actually had gone to visit few courts, in Calcutta, and I wanted to see what actually happens in today's world. Like, we've seen courtroom dramas before, but that was something else. That was dramatic. But I think Suhail and Vikram wanted to aim at something which is very realistic. So I wanted to see it, and that's it. Yeah, and I enjoyed it. Yeah.
I'm a bit of the resident expert on playing troubled mothers. So, but this was to another level, and I got so frightened by taking on this that I actually went and told Vicky and Suhail that I don't want to do it, because I was very scared. It's not a thought that anybody wants to go into willingly. As an actor, you have to go into that area very willingly, saying that your child has died, and at no moment of time can a person whose child has died forget it. So as an actor, there was no moment in the film that I could forget it, that my child has died. I couldn't say that, okay, let me have a cup of chai and I've forgotten that mera bachcha mar gaya hai. So, it was that sense of constancy and that heaviness of soul had to remain. So that was a very big challenge. I didn't want to go there. So then I worked with both Vikram and Suhail many years back, and Vikram said, you take a call if you want to do it or not, and Suhail said, tu kar le yaar, tu kar le. And so I actually, even before starting the film, the shooting of the film was a blast, because almost everyone is like completely different from the very serious faces that you see. They're absolutely fun people. There was coffee breaks, and there was fun conversations, and there was great friendships happened. But before the film, I started like 2 o'clock at night. I would get up in shock and start crying just thinking about it. So it was very difficult to get into that space. But I was helped a lot by the script, which was kept very level. So there was not any over-the-top moments where you can't believe. And Suhail was great on set, great support, and it's a very well-written script. So it was very easy to do once I was on set. It was difficult before.